Hello everyone, welcome back to the next tutorial session. So for today, we'll see about how to create reflection. So you can go to file and then you create a new document. So after you open a new document, now you're going to open a image. So open a picture, go to file, go to open. You can choose it over here. Okay, so let me choose a picture. So now, so this is my picture which is open. Now I'm going to create the reflection over here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to use this selection tool. So now select the area where I'm going to perform the reflection. So after you select this, you have to give Control J. So which means it will create a copy of the background whichever area I have selected. Okay, so after you give, just give Control T. Okay, then you're almost, you can see you're almost in this layer only. Okay, in this layer only you're going to perform the operation, so it will not disturb your background layer. Now go to flip vertical. Okay, now move this and fix it over here a little off. Okay, you can rotate and you can fix in such a way to create a realistic reflection view. Okay, so after doing this, click give enter. So this transformation, you can also go to file and you can see here transform. In that, if you give scale, you can select your transformation, or the shortcut is Control T. Okay, after you select this, now we are going to make the changes in this part alone. So it should not affect the upper part. So what we have to do is, we have to create a mask. So how we are going to create a mask is, first select this layer. It's already in the selection tool. So now select this layer. Okay, after you select, can you see here? So you're in this layer, you've selected this part, and at the bottom you can see here, so I'll keep it, you can see add layer mask. So click this, it will create the add layer mask. So this black color represents this area is hidden, and the white color represents this area is visible. So where you're going to make changes in this area. Okay, so now I will remove this link. Okay, and then select this thumbnail, and then you're going to perform the changes. So go to filter. In that you have blur effects. So go to blur, give motion blur. Motion blur will give a motion effect. Okay, so you move with your hand tool so that you can see the preview, and then you can change the values over here. You can see the preview here as well as here, the changes over here. Okay, so with this you can give your motion effects. See, try to change the angle, you can change the angle. So do whatever you want and you can create your creations. You okay. Okay, now it is created a, and also you can apply Gaussian blur. So now I'm going to apply Gaussian blur. Okay, I'll give it as okay. So now I've created the blur effects. So now you can see there is no changes which are in this layer. Only in this layer you can see the changes. So now I'm going to uh, vary the levels over here so that it will be more realistic. So for that, what I have to do is, so you can see here this. So this is the adjustments added to the layer. So create here. So go to levels. So you can see then in the properties panel. So now I'll okay. So this is, I'm increasing the levels, RGB levels. So with this, so now you can see when I'm increasing, it's affected in the both the layers, because there is a new uh, operation which is created. You can see it is created on this. It is not created on the mask layer. It is created in the new layer. So it will affect all the upper part and the lower part. So what I have to do here is, there is an option given here. This should affect only the layer which I have to reflect on. So this, okay. So with this, I'll give it as okay. So now we created a reflection. Okay. So this is how you create your reflection. So thank you for watching today's session. So please like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. For more videos, keep watching. Thank you.